Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the best lash extension kit for beginners. Dipping and dabbling into DIY lashes, cluster lashes, individual lashes, whatever you want to call your at-home lash extension process. We're going to run through the products real quick, and then I'm going to show you a tip to get them to last over 5 days. The Seamless Under Lash collection from Ardell is really easy to get your hands on and very affordable. You can go into an Ulta, Target, Walmart, CVS, any drugstore to find this product, or you can shop them online. I did a review and I compared this one to the Kiss one, which is really popular, and one thing that I found that I love the most about the Ardell one was the fact that you can mix and match based off the kit, so you don't have to buy additional hairs to mix and match, which is really great. And I love the way that they're wispy, and I love how many hairs that they're giving you. They give you 2 different sizes of the hairs, the single piece and then they give you a double piece, which is really nice and versatile because everyone's eye shapes are different. Your eyes may be smaller, your eyes may be bigger, or your eyes may be right in between. It's great that they have that variety of those hairs. Always have a bond and seal. When you're doing your DIY clusters, you want to do the bond first, then you go in and you seal them. This kit also includes a remover, which is really nice because now when it's time for you to take them off, are you ready to take them off, you can just use a remover. And last but not least, this baby is a sucker that's going to get them to last over 5 days, which is this water repellent lash sealant right here. Make sure you have some tweezers, make sure you got yourself a fan, you have your lip applicators, and then you have your brushes to comb your hair. You want to make sure you have a mirror as well so you can see what you're doing. We're going to do a super easy design today. I don't need you overcomplicating this process. All you need to do is pick 3 lengths. I'm working with 16, 14, 12. The 16 length is going to go right here above my iris. The 14 is going to go on the outer corner of my iris, and then my 12s are going to go on my edges. So this edge and then the inside edge. That's how we're doing the map, and that's called a doll eye, which is super easy, super simple. Next, we're going to comb our natural lashes. Now girl, I have been trying to grow my natural lashes. It's been 30 days and I don't feel like I'm seeing a difference, so I'm gonna hold them up real quick for you guys to see. I don't feel like I see a difference. I'm gonna put a picture up so you guys can see, but I don't really feel like I see a difference. I don't think much is happening, but then again, at the same time, I'm like, I feel like something is happening. So what you want to do is comb your natural lashes, comb them upwards. If they curl upwards, comb them upwards. If they point downwards, comb them in the direction that they're going. We're going to do the underneath technique, which is the most simplest and the easiest. I have 4C natural curly lashes. My lashes curl upwards, which means I'm going to go underneath and then I'm going to push up into my hair. Whereas if your hairs point downwards, you want to put them on top. All right, boom. Now that we have combed out our lashes, you're going to take your bond side. So this is the bond side. You're going directly underneath and you're just tapping, okay? Best to distribute this product. I see a lot of people be using a lot of glue. If you struggle with that tacky feeling, that's why that sealing at the end is going to work for you. Because over distributing the glue and combing this through like it's a mascara, baby, you're going to be pissed because it's going to get tacky and your hairs are going to be all hard. You got to be neat in your work. I'm going to take the first length, which I said is a 16. And this is what I mean when I say I like the Ardells. These are some easy ones to work with because they have 2 different type of pieces. So this one is a double piece. All right. Now I'm going to just go right underneath like a hook. And I'm going to put this right above my iris so that you're not beefing with it. Boom. Look at that. See that? Perfect. Okay, now that we have this piece on, we're going to take the next piece. I'm going to take the single 14s. The reason why I'm taking the single 14 piece is because I am not going to have enough space to put the 12 down if I use a double piece. We're going to place the 14 on the first outside edge right there like that. Love it. Then we're going to take the next 14 and we're going to place it on the inside edge. Going underneath like a hook. Boom. Perfect. Then we're going to take the 12 right there at the corner. Boom. Simple. And then we're going to take the last individual 12. We're not going to do a double up. We're not doubling up. We're only going to use the individual pieces. And this is what the individual piece look like. So you see that? This is the individual piece. Like that. Boom. Let me get my hair out the way. Y'all see this? Look at this. Look. Look how easy that was. We literally placed 5 pieces of hair. Okay? and it's feeling a little tacky. And I don't like that tacky feeling. So let me see. Let's check. This is the final step that's going to seal the deal. Take this sealant. It is waterproof, sweat proof, makeup proof, oil proof. This is what's going to get you through to that 2-week mark. And then take an applicator. I'm going to put the applicator right inside here. Just like so. Dip it out like that. Now listen, I want you to follow directions on this part because it's very crucial that you listen and pay attention to what you're doing. You may see somebody may tell you do this. They may tell you put the sealant on your tweezers, right? Now, the reason why I don't like doing that, and I'm not going to let you do that, is because once you go in, if you get this sealant or any sealant on the tips, it's going to make them look spiky and hard and crunchy. You don't want that to happen. Your lash is going to not look good. You want your lashes to still feel soft. And I don't know why people be saying that. Now, that's if you don't got a steady hand. And then, because if you do it, you go in and you squeeze. Okay? You can do it that way, but what's going to happen when you get to that inner corner? The struggle is going to start. So I'm going to tell you to take this here. Take this 2 ways. The first way is we're going to go underneath like this and push up into it. Be very gentle with this product and don't get it in your eye because it's going to irritate your eye. So now that we got the bottom part, go and point it like this. Close your eye and focus at the top. Okay, now keep your eye closed just for a little bit to let it dry down some because you don't want it to burn. I'm gonna take my tweezer and I'm gonna point my teeth outwards. So you see the teeth is like this, you're gonna point them outwards. You want this curve, not the dip, you want the curve to be out. And we're gonna go over it one more time using this seal because again we want to reinforce the strength. Now you can apply this once, you can apply 1 coat and reinforce another coat a couple of days later without having to take off your lashes. And then gonna close. If you have your fan, use your fan. Don't have to squeeze it a second time around, but for the extra layer of security, if you really want to. I'm going to do this other eye off of camera and then we'll be back. Here's the close-up. I hope this video was helpful. Stay around and watch the next video that's going to be flying on the screen right here. And also don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.